Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. How to layer the mascaras and how to separate them, fan them out and not make them look crunchy or spidery.
There is a lot of product on the tip. Let's just remove that.
Just deposit the majority of the product in the root of the lashes. This is just coat number 1. We're gonna be doing 3 coats. And when I'm wiggling, I am not wiggling the full length. I am taking it till the middle of the lashes and stopping it there. Getting really close to the lashes in the inner corners. And now what we are doing is second coat. As you can see, I am just depositing the product. The second time when I'm going in, I'm not like wiggling so much. I'm just depositing it because we are gonna go with a very clean brush, a separate brush, and we're gonna separate everything, fan everything out with that. Right now it's all about just depositing that black in the roots of the lashes with the second coat.
This is how it looks fully built up. Of course, I don't leave it like this. I do go ahead and just do that. You can absolutely leave it like this because spider lashes, some people do prefer that. It's not my preference though.
So if you don't want spider lashes, then this is what you do. Take a clean brush and now we are going to wiggle and fan everything out. It's very easy, you just have to run the clean brush about 4-5 times from the roots till the full tips of the lashes, like so.
After 2 coats and evenly fanning them out, this is how they look. This is the third coat we are going in. And I am just depositing a lot of product. Normally I would never do this, but just to see how it performs in its full potential.
Now with the third coat, how you do it is you just deposit a lot of darkness, and when it comes to fanning everything out, now we use a smaller and a more precise brush. It's a very cute brush, you'll see it in a minute.
I feel like it's getting a little clumpy and spidery with the third layer, like the brush is not able to fan it out or separate it out so seamlessly.
I didn't want to fast forward this, guys, because I wanted you guys to be able to see how to actually do it. If I just fast forward, then I don't know how it can be recreated.
Like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush. This is by Givenchy. This is from their Phenomena Eyes False Lash Effect mascara. I love that mascara. I wish I had it just so that I can include it in this review/comparison, but I don't. This is a mascara that I just bought for myself just to give myself a little treat. But mainly I bought it for the wand. The wand is really good. So whenever I feel like everything is getting clumped up, I use this and it looks a little like this. This is my favorite tool for mascara. It looks like a little bit of that medieval paintball kind of a thing. Something you see in Da Vinci Code, the movie where there's this guy with the paintballs. He just, I don't know. It just reminds me of that. There's this movie called Casino Royale by James Bond. In that also he's tortured, 3rd degree torture, and in that they use a paintball and that looks something like this. Like not the whole wand, just the spiky part of it. But hey, no judgment. Really good for mascara, really good for separating and fanning them out. Okay, so I think this is the third layer. And I think this is the maximum I can build it up.
That's how we arrange our lashes, guys. Clean, neat, nicely arranged. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see.
Subscribe for more makeup therapy and good vibes.